Different travelers have different preferences. While couples or families may prefer full privacy, solo travelers or backpackers may enjoy shared spaces for interaction. Hence, it is crucial for you to update your property's rooms and spaces as shared or private to set the clear expectations. Go to Rooms and Spaces and click on Add on the top right corner to mention the total number of additional spaces that the guest may or may not have access on your property. For bedroom, mention the sleeping arrangement with the kind of bed and extra bed if provided, along with guest occupancy, and thereafter upload photos and videos. For bathroom, mention if the guest will have access to it, and if yes, will it be a shared or private access, and then add photos. And at last, mention any other additional space available at your property from the given list.